In this video, we'll learn how to use the Intaglio report generator to create automated reports using Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word and locate the Special Add-ins toolbar found on the Ribbon tab. Click on the toolbar icon and insert an Intaglio graph. Since we are going to use the Intaglio report generator as part of an automated worksheet, we will need to use variables for the dataset and signal name. In this instance, our defined variables will be dataset and signal. We can add more variables and define layouts if needed. Other than graphs, we can also add other assets, such as named elements, etc. When this report is generated, a graph will be placed on this box. We will resize our Intaglio box to fit our graph properly. Let's add a title and call it My Report. Once we are happy with the way this looks, let's save this document to our desktop. We will name this My Template Report. We will then choose the output options when this report is saved or printed. In this instance, we will save this to our desktop and call it Final Report. We will now close our Word document and load DATS software. Let's select a dataset that we want to appear in our report. In this instance, we will choose racecar runup.dac. The variable DPU under the Advanced Menu tab will allow us to create variables. We will add this with the variables we used in the Intaglio report setup. To ensure it matches, we will add dataset, then signal variables. We simply populate the variables using the variable modification DPU, which we connect to our dataset. In this instance, we will use a pseudo-named element dataset name. You can locate this information by first going to the source signal, then accessing signal information, and finally, choosing the pseudo-named element tab, where you'll find the dataset path. For the signal variable, we will use a named element dataset name. Again, we can find this information by navigating to the signal information from the source signal. This time, we go to the Named Element tab and locate its path. We will then connect the Intaglio report DPU found on the Reporting tab to our variable modification DPU. Clicking twice on the Intaglio DPU will enable us to access the Intaglio report template setup we previously configured. In this instance, we'll select the Final Report template as the output for our report, and we'll also mark the Show Final Report option to ensure our report loads automatically without any interruptions. We run our worksheet to automatically generate the Intaglio report with the requested signal graph. You should now understand how to create reports using DATS and Intaglio.